Yeah. Will never fade away, regenerate and squash all the beef. I got no time for hate. Logan was lit when we came. In Ormoc hip hop events, feel like I rave. I love it, always rapping my region in public. I came to Manila just for the fuck of it. Can you rap in Waray and have success? I think we're gonna find out. This here feel like the tryouts. You try the easy way, what you want me to say? You're going this way, I'm going that route. Let me rep the region in the capital. Let me see if you can really bring some capital. Innovating and I feel like I'm a radical. You can hit me, you won't see me getting mad at all. European monster on the mic, call me a goblin. Got only little trolls and not pick Martian. Nagtitig ka daman na make bitches gossiping. It's not a problem. Damn.
Rep your team, motherfucker.
Team 3, I think. Crystol on the beat.
You're not sure?
We got Ormo, we got Tacloban, Villarreal, Eastern Samar. 4 different places, man. And bye-bye. Let's not forget about bye-bye.